With the advancements in vehicle materials, components, and electronics, many OEMs want to ensure a vehicle's functionality and safety following a collision event. To achieve this goal, the OEM may have a series of required inspections for the collision repair technician to complete as part of their initial damage assessment routine. ALLDATA Collision is always working to improve your estimate and repair accuracy. To facilitate your research process, we have gathered the OEM inspections required after a collision under an easy-to-access grouping within the vehicle's repair procedures. Simply select your vehicle, navigate to Body and Frame from the Vehicle page. Then, select Repairs and Inspections required after a collision. From here, you will find a collection of procedures and checks that pertain to the OE. You can also verify any additional inspections or mandated part replacements from a collision event by using the search bar within the program. Utilizing keywords such as collision, steering column, or accident, ALLDATA can ensure your search captures any specific requirements for the year, make, and model of vehicle you are repairing, providing complete access to the information you need when you need it. Want to learn more about ALLDATA Collision? Contact us today.